Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the tool safe. Disconnect the spark plug or remove the battery and drain fuel if it's gas-powered. Once done, clear debris from the cutting head and remove the spool or blade assembly. This gives access. Make sure to work on a stable bench. Use gloves and eye protection while you handle sharp parts. Next, inspect visible damage to the head, shaft, and gearbox so you know whether you need parts or just a cleaning. You now dig into the core problem. Remove the cutting head and expose the gearbox and drive shaft. Clean old grease, then inspect gears for chips or uneven wear. Replace any damaged gear promptly. Once cleaned, check the drive coupling. A cracked coupler causes wobble, so swap it out if necessary and tighten set screws to spec. Finally, relubricate with manufacturer grease, reassemble the gearbox, and test the shaft rotation by hand to confirm smooth motion. You finish by reassembling the head, guard, and handle, tightening bolts evenly and aligning parts. Once assembled, reconnect spark plug or battery and run the trimmer at low throttle. Listen and feel for vibration, heat, or unusual noise. If it runs smoothly, gradually return to normal use. If vibration or noise persists, stop immediately. Check for a bent shaft, unbalanced blade, or loose hardware. As a key troubleshooting tip,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.